Welcome back to the channel, Mike the Investor. Hope you are having a great day. Today, we're going to be discussing what is a dividend champion. But before we do that, if you are a new viewer and you like dividend stocks or dividend ideas, or maybe you just want to follow somebody's investing journey, or maybe get a little motivation to help your investing journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. That way you won't miss another video when I put out new content twice a week. So what is a dividend champion? Dividend champions are companies which have increased their dividend for 25 or more consecutive years, unlike the dividend aristocrats. Dividend champions are not necessarily members of the S&P 500 index. Their market cap size does not matter necessarily. The dividend champions list is separated into three categories based on how long companies have maintained the streak of annually increasing dividends. We look down to 5 to 9 years will classify our dividend challengers, from 10 to 24 years will be our dividend contenders, and from 25 years plus will be our dividend champions. There are currently 136 companies that classify to be on this list. And just to give you a few examples of some of these powerhouse companies, we look at the dividend challengers. A few companies that you may know: Verizon, Visa, Philip Morris. These companies are massive companies that actually pay a pretty nice dividend and have a pretty nice size market cap. The dividend contenders: IBM, Intel, Microsoft. These are large IT companies. Dividend champions: Altria, Aqua Water, Tootsie Roll Industries. These companies may have flew under your radar because they don't carry the name of dividend aristocrats, so a lot of times they don't get the same love as other stocks. So you may want to take a look at some of these prestigious stocks that you may want to have in your portfolio for the long run. But hopefully this video was very informative to you. Let me know down in the comment section which category you like the best. And don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button as well so you don't miss any more videos like this, and share the content with others. This is Mike the Investor. Stay motivated, stay inspired. Remember to always invest in yourself, and I will see you guys back next time.